What's up, anime and art nerds? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Silence here, and today we're gonna talk about One Punch Man season 3. And I'm gonna pretty much rant and just yap about the whole controversy between in season 3. It's not gonna be that much editing. We're just gonna go balls deep. So if you guys haven't been watching season 3, there's a lot of still animation. People are not upset. People are upset about season 3, and I see where they're coming from. There's a lot of still frames. I mean, the action hasn't even started yet, and people are already going ham. I don't know. I think I watched the first 2 episodes, and I was just like, yo, I can see where people are coming from. The normal fan base is coming from. But let's just see how they cook. Let's see how we got 10 episodes left. Let's see how JC Staff cooks. There's a lot of hate and I wouldn't say hate, but there's a lot of negativity going around about this. And a lot of what I want to really say is a lot of people really don't know the process of animation. And animation could be something that normal people don't really know unless you do it. I went to art school and I've taken multiple animation classes. And when I tell you that shit takes a long fucking time, like you literally like to do a eye blink takes like 2-3 weeks, bro. Like, or 2 weeks. Like, I don't know. It's a long time. And a lot of people really don't know the process. But, we're consumers. People are consumers and they're entitled to get, the best animation, the best stuff that they want. And we haven't been getting a lot of great animation from JC Staff from season 3. But it's a lot of people just don't know what goes behind the scenes, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. JC Staff, from what I don't know everything, but it's just what I know, and what I'm hearing in the streets of the anime streets. JC Staff didn't get a big budget for One Punch Man season 3, and I think that is like fucking crazy. Like, okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this real quick, because they freaking Obi-Wan Kenobi this bitch. If you guys didn't know, I'm a big Star Wars fan, right? And so Disney, they did the show Obi-Wan Kenobi. Obi-Wan Kenobi is one of the most iconic Star Wars characters he's the most iconic character, one of the most iconic characters ever in pop culture, right? And they created a show and only gave him the budget of, I think it was like $90 million. And Andor and all these other shows got Andor got, I think, a budget of $250 million. That's why Obi-Wan was like so trash. Like, the fan base did not like Obi-Wan Kenobi. And they didn't get a budget. They didn't get money. And this is the same thing that what happened to JC Staff. Bandai or whoever is behind the committee who gives them the money, they didn't give them enough money to do actually great work. And we can't really get mad at JC Staff from from what they gave us. They only was given so much money. They were only given so much time. And this is a big anime. Like, they should have got a lot more money, or a bigger studio should have took on season 3. I'm saying a lot, bro, because I'm just going in, so you're gonna be hearing a lot of ums, because I'm flowing. I'm in my rap flow. But yes, they didn't get a lot of money to do season 3, which to me I think is ridiculous. They should have got way more money, or another studio should have got it. And now they're getting a lot of back. Like, I'm looking at Shinagai, the director of One Punch Man 3, JC Staff. He just deleted his Twitter from people going in on him. And I mean, first of all, come on, man. If you go on the internet, you're gonna be a lot of trolls and a lot of hate. So, or just a lot of people yapping and fucking going in on you. So you're gonna be ready for that. But I mean, people don't deserve to people don't deserve to get all this hate and all this, this backlash towards them. I feel like I'm pretty sure they tried their best. If anything, we should be getting mad at the production committee for giving them this budget. Like, I don't know their budget, but I'm pretty sure it was super low. And a lot of people are saying, "Oh, Demon Slayer got, Demon Slayer's animation is great. All these other Jujutsu Kaisen animation is great." Yeah, I'm pretty sure they got they got a bigger budget. Like, I'm 100% sure Demon Slayer got a budget of 20 million. In Infinity Castle, and they destroyed it in the box office. And I think their box office grossing was like 600 and like something million. It made more than Superman and Fantastic Four. Like, that shit's crazy. Like, their profit margin is crazy. That's how poppin' anime is. And I'm gonna make a whole video on that topic. But going back to One Punch Man, they should have got a bigger budget. And I mean, it's not really JC Staff's fault. And I think we as a fan base need to know that. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people are just kind of getting into the hate flow. Like, they see it's popular, and they, I think it's just important for everybody to know how the process of animation and just creating in general. Like, this is not some AI shit. This ain't AI bullshit where you just type in a prompt and you get a whole ass fucking animation. Nah, this is not that. Like, animation from, like, that shit takes a long time. And I'm cursing a lot because I don't know. I'm going in. But at the same time, this production committee, whoever gave the money to do this animation, they need to know, like, the fan base of One Punch Man. Like, okay, I'm about to spit some facts right now. You have one of the best mangaka on the face of the fucking planet. You got Yusuke Murata doing the manga, and his panels are beautiful. And that's what a lot of these One Punch Man fans, they read the manga. A lot of people read the manga just because Yusuke Murata is that goated. And that's what I don't think this committee knows. I don't think they see that, dude. Yusuke Murata his panels are like literally animation. And we're spoiled to that. So that's what we know. We know great manga panels. And then when you give us an anime that has a lot of still shots and not a lot of, like, it's not season 1. Granted, season 1 had golden animators, and season 2 was slop. But I mean, I'm pretty sure they tried their hardest too. I mean, it's give or take. But the manga, Yusuke Murata and One are cooking in the manga. So that's what we're spoiled to. We're spoiled to great manga panels. And the production committee should have known that, okay, we got to go mangaka. Let's just give them a good budget so this animation could be on top or on par with the manga panels. I just think they should have did that instead of giving a slop animation or just giving them such a low budget. I just think they should have given them a bigger budget so they can cook. Just like Yusuke Murata, that's what us One Punch Man fans are. We're spoiled to great manga panels, and for us to get an animation like we're getting right now, I mean, it's not bad. Like, to me, come on, I think it's great. Like, you try to do an animation, you see how hard that shit is, and you'll know real quick. Like, oh yeah, that animation is cool. Like, it's okay, but it could be better. Like, it could be better. And us as consumers, we're entitled to our criticism. Like, I feel like people will have the right to go ham on what they don't like. Everybody can voice their opinion, and I agree with that. But I just think people shouldn't, like, you shouldn't at least know the process behind something before you go in on it. But yeah, I mean, I feel like I've been yapping a lot. To see if I have any other points to get across. Nah, I think that I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of videos on it. I watched Mastar's video on it. I seen Charlie's video on it. I seen Tyrone Magnus's videos on it. I mean, it's just pretty big in the end. A lot of people love One Punch Man, and I love One Punch Man. I love Yusuke Murata. Like, you guys seen my previous videos. Like, he's one of the reasons why I draw. Like, as an artist, I get so much creative juices from Yusuke Murata and One Punch Man in general. So I love One Punch Man, and I just hope for season 3. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're gonna cook. Let's see what they could. Before we knock it, let's see what they cook up in these next few episodes. Because Gaara's about to fight right now. He's about to get in. There's about to be some action. So let's see how this next episode comes on Sunday. But we should, just let them cook. Let's let the season finish, and then we can go ham on it if needed. But you know, I just wanted to give my take. And if you guys agree or disagree, let me know in the comments below. You know, we'll talk about it. But I don't want to see all this hate. We can have civil conversations. I think, you know, voicing your opinion is cool. I don't want no disrespectful comments or nothing like that. I want to just be super chill, super cool about it. I think, you know, One Punch Man and anime in general should be we shouldn't like divide our fan base. We should be all together. I don't want in one fan base. We shouldn't be like Star Wars right now. Like the fan base is kind of split. It's been split for a while, and I don't want that to be the same for anime or the One Punch Man fan base. So let's hope they cook. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening to me yap for about 11 minutes. I'll see you guys on the next video. We're gonna get back to some drawing, about to get back to some comic work. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.